We want to get into a toy space which is more engaging. Our vision is very clear that we wish to devise and create innovative products and toys.
So it said that a child has developed most of its brain by the age of 7 or 8. So have you developed any product yet that is not electronic but at the same time very innovative and learning based?
So we are in fact focused on that age group. So that those early years where there is a development in process is the main space that we are focused on. So we are devising and creating innovative products that actually play a role in that. So we do a lot of such products. So for example, if you look at this as a toy, it's of course it's a licensed property. It's got all the finishing that you would want. At the same time, it has a pullback concept. So if you pull it back, usually what happens is when you pull back a car, it goes ahead. But here we've got a rider on top or a driver on top. The moment you make him sit on it, the car flies ahead.
That is very innovative. Yeah.
So these are the innovations that we constantly work on.
Okay, so you have in-house innovation and R&D team?
Yes, we've got product designers, toy designers, product engineers who do the mold designing, everything in-house.
So more than, from what I understand, more than an aggregator, you are an agency. So if a company were to approach you and say, I want to do this in this Diwali campaign, you'll do anything. You'll do everything from idealizing, making the product and rolling it out in the markets, right?
Yes, end to end.
Okay, so you have, coming to the financials, you have been consistently improving on the margin side of it. You had like 9% few years back and now you are sitting at 15%. Coming to your order book, you have like 25 to 30 CR order book by September 2024. When can we see this order book materializing in the revenues?
So if you see just the September numbers that you mentioned is almost 30% of our
revenues.
Previous year's revenues. So therefore we have made that progress.
So it's paradoxical as well as ironical, I would say, because a lot of people argue that parents are inducing this trend of using smartphones while feeding their kids because it's very convenient for them. But at the same time, we see the perceived value of toys increasing, right? So what are your plans to expand in this toy segment?
I mean, in terms of expansion, our vision is very clear. Like I said, one is that we wish to devise and create innovative products and toys that have an international quality standard. And that's one of the reasons that we do not wish to engage into just copying or creating products which are those typical Chinese toys that you see in the market, be it a remote control car or a drone for that matter. We want to get into a toy space which is more engaging. So preschool toys, learning toys, a little more just innovative and engaging at the same time playful.
What is the age group that you are focused on?
To the best of our ability, what we think is that kids of today's age play, the age group is about 1 to 5, 7 years at best. Beyond that, they get into, the digital space. So we are targeting that age group and we are creating innovative line of products around that age group.